Uh, I'm here.
I gotta be honest, I'm a little surprised. I'm pleasantly surprised.
Good
Good
Good morning, everyone.
morning, Ernest.
morning.
Hey, Ernest, I wonder if you have to, didn't you convert that to an MP4, Adrian, to make it so it's moving?
I got it from JP. I think he turned it into a GIF.
It was one. He said, JP said he had to turn it into oh, Jamar's got it now. Okay. So the first thing I'd like to get after is the website, the catastrophe, because it is gone. And I don't know what pull request did what, but it's not alive and well right now. I want Kerman, I want Maxim. And at the very end, I guess it could be Wasim, but I have a feeling it's not on Wasim's end.
No.
Feeling something on GitHub was merged when it shouldn't have. And we should figure out what that is. I'm gonna work on getting Kerman in here.
Did Maxim do the build or no? Try to do the build locally or no?
He should be in here any second. He was searching for issues on his local, but he wasn't able to find any issues.
I think I saw it on GCP and I tried to do the build on my local too. I think I know the solution. Well, one of the solutions, because there's a lot of errors on that build.
Yeah, his on his local is running fine, but then this is all messed up. But then on develop, the develop branch is also, all of the styling is gone.
So if the styling is gone, I can revert the pull request.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I mean, we have to revert. It seems like we have to revert all the ones, including whatever, starting with Kerman, whatever his last push was. That should be, all of it should be. Because I'll show you what it looks like.
I think the push that Kerman did was related to me because I needed.
It was just that minimalistic website change for the most part. That's what I noticed. Changing that little thing. But I believe while he did that, he merged some other stuff. Maxim said it looks like something was merged when it shouldn't have been. So this is the develop branch. The padding is messed up, obviously. And we can see here all the padding is messed up. So let's get into this, Maxim. Let's find out what went wrong. But yeah, we should probably just hit the undo button on a couple of things and track down what the heck happened. So let's get through Scrum and then we can remedy that in a little bit. I'd like for Kerman to show up. Okay. I want to save that for later. Oh yeah, one thing I wanted to bring up is that the Arch backend repository. I feel like we should have a convention about this as well when a repo is ready to be retired. We can rename Arch backend on GitHub, like put square brackets next to its named. Oh, can we not use square brackets? Not use square brackets. All right, try. Wait. So I'd put like retiring not -9, something like this, which means that in 9 days we're actually going to delete it. Because Manon merged the Arch backend repository with the TernKey backend repository. And so we won't do this right away, but we don't want to confuse people. We're going to rename, like we have to double check first. We're going to rename the TernKey backend just the backend, because now it will have everything for TernKey, Arch, and the website all in one. So that's going to be that. And it's like we updated this, but we had a big issue, so we might have to do that again. All right, let's just get into Scrum updates for now. So, JP, what's your update for Scrum?
So I did pull request testing yesterday, and I pushed the number 6 task for those tasks for the turnkey. And today I was planning to continue working on the pull request. So
Okay, yep. So we have this many done right now. And please just make sure, just like Jomar did there, just comment done on your post. No need for an in progress or anything. And these orange lines are meaning I would consider them done because I don't know if they're necessary. Pretty sure a disconnect. These have to do with third-party APIs, so they're not really function integrations. How about you, Ernest? What's your update?
yeah, so yesterday I completed two tasks, number 4 and number 5. So I made pull request, got some feedback from JP. But I think the errors comes from develop branch, because some styling was broken after I merged the develop branch to my branch. So I think someone changed it this yesterday, and this may cause some errors. So I will work on another task and will update soon. That's all.
Okay, well, we want to be careful about the errors because we already have some. We don't want to stack errors on top of errors.
Okay.
Jomar, how about you? What's your update?
So yesterday I finished tasks 22, 39, and 40. And for later I'll start a new one. Maybe I'll start with 23 or 26.
Got it. Okay, sounds good. And Gautam, I know we got to get you in a meeting with Kermon, so no update needed yet. Chris, how about you? What's your update for us?
I finished the task that Adrian assigned me with going through the website. However, that seems kind of moot right now, being that we're having website issues. I'll connect with Adrian about what I can do to support at this moment.
Yep. Yeah, we should have it back up and running soon here. And we'll let you know on that. And Manan, I mean, seems like your biggest update concerning everybody here was that you merged the backends. Anything else other than that?
No. That's it.
Got it. And Ernest is going to be away for 10 days on some wedding extravaganza that he's a part of. I think he's getting married. Are you getting married, Ernest?
Yes.
Okay, yes, Ernest is getting married. But the way he told me was the strangest way you will ever be told that someone's getting married. I said, he said, like, I have a wedding for 10 days. And I was like, 10 whole days? Like, is it yours? And he said, yeah, my friend asked me to come. I was like, wait, it's your wedding and your friend asked you to come. And he's like, yeah, my girlfriend. I was like, that still doesn't make sense because isn't that your fiance? Like, so I guess Ernest is getting married. So congrats, Ernest, and we won't see him until January 3rd. But that's why I wasn't really sure if he was. Okay,
Thank you, everyone.
of course. And so other than that, no Malika. I'm imagining we didn't work on this yet, and that's sort of in Manon's and Adrian's wheelhouse, but that's actually low priority for now. Block China, low, segregate, data collection. Yeah, I found like 5 or 6 QR codes walking around the city and just took like 100 pictures. So it's pretty easy. Just 10 quick angles, call it a day, upload them. But let's fix the website issues. So that's it for Scrum, because we got to get this issue solved before we can continue to streamline work again. So I guess everybody's good. Except let's get you in here, Maxim, and we'll start up the troubleshooting with Adrian. But everyone else is good to go, unless anyone has anything else to add to Scrum today. Nope. All right, guys. Talk to you later. We'll let you know when the website's back to normal later today.